Welcome back to the 6th Gear Garage. Today I'm going to review this fume extractor by Vevor, and we'll talk about why it's important to use one of these when you're working in an enclosed area. And that goes for doing things like soldering, painting, welding, or in my case, laser cleaning. This fume extractor came very well packaged and was a breeze to set up. Inside of the machine we have a cotton pre-filter on top, then a PP cotton middle filter, and another PP cotton middle filter, and finally an activated carbon filter. Here you can see the fan at the bottom of the unit, and the filtered air exits right here. The flexible tubes simply stack on the top openings. No tools required. If you're working on a smaller project and you only want to use one of the tubes, Vevor also includes a cap that you can use to convert the fume extractor to a single hose unit. Also included in the box are 2 extra pre-filters. This fume extractor with dual hoses features a 275 watt brushless motor. It contains 4 stage filters and has 10 adjustable speeds. This model is capable of 360 cubic meters per hour, making it perfect for soldering, welding, or using a 200 watt pulsed laser cleaner in an enclosed area. The adjustable tubes hold their position, so this can be set up anywhere you want. This entire unit is extremely portable with 4 rolling casters and dual carrying handles. Vevor also offers more powerful and less powerful fume extractors as well, which I'll put links to in the description, in case you're looking for a different size than this one. I'm going to tell my kids that this is the Scream extractor from the movie Monsters, Inc. Normally, when I'm using these laser cleaning machines, I pop the door open, set up a big box fan, and blow any smoke or dust right out the door. However, here in Ohio, there's about 5 months out of the year when it's not practical to do that. As I'm lasering off whatever kind of rust, paint, or oil or grease around these metal parts is putting a lot of that in the air, and you don't want that stuff to end up in your lungs. Just pull these down above my work area. Now let's move on to something that's going to make a little bit more smoke. A painted surface. Nice and clean. No smoke in here. Now for the ultimate test, an oily, greasy surface. Look at all the carbon buildup on this piston. The laser's going to clean that right off. Now, as you can see, it's not at all smoky or hazy in this garage. So now let's take a look at a filter and see what we took out of the air. All this from what I just cleaned. And that's why you need a fume extractor when you're using a laser cleaner. Now we'll clean another piston without using the fume extractor for comparison. And I'm going to wear a respirator for this one. I don't know if you can tell on camera, it's quite hazy in here now. There's just like a layer of smoke everywhere, all over the garage. Now for cleaning with this 200 watt pulsed laser, this fume extractor makes a big difference. Now, if you're going to use this 2000 watt continuous wave laser, you're going to want a bigger fume extractor, and Vevor also sells those as well. I'll put a link to this down in the description, as well as a 5% discount code to save you some money. Thanks for watching.